Hello JavaScript developers, in this part we will talk about class inheritance. Inheritance enables you to define a class that takes all the properties and methods from a parent class. Inheritance is a useful feature that allows code reusability. Let's make a parent class for animals. Use the word class and name it animal. First, we need a special method called a constructor to set up the animal's name. Pass one value to it, name. Then, use this .name equal to name to store the animal name. The constructor is like a helper that runs automatically when we create a new object. Now, let's create a method to show the action of the animal. We'll call it run. In a class, we don't need the word function to make a method. To show a message, use console.log. I will use a placeholder and write this .name for the name of the animal. And is running. Let's make one more method. The name of the method will be stop. Now, copy this line and paste it here. And a message for the stop method will be stand still. Alright, our parent method is created successfully. Let's create a child class. To do that, use the word class, then the name of the class that is rabbit. We'll make sure the computer knows it's a child class by using extends and mentioning the parent class, which is animal. This means the rabbit is a child class and it will inherit the methods and properties of the parent animal class. Let's create a method for rabbit. The thing our rabbit can do is hide because it's good at hiding in the ground. Put the same console log here, but instead of saying is running, let's say hides because that's what our rabbit does. Now, let's create our rabbit object. Begin with the const keyword and name the object rabbit. Use the new keyword and give it the name of the child class, which is the rabbit. You can also provide a name while doing this. I like white rabbits. We can access these methods. Let's do that by the name of the object. Then, use the run method. This will show that the white rabbit is running. Let's make it stop by using the rabbit and mentioning the action name, which is stop. It shows white rabbit stands still. We also have a hiding action called hide in the child class. We can access it using the rabbit object and the hide method. This will display white rabbit hides on the console. One really important thing to remember is method overriding. Let's imagine what happens if I copy this stop method and put it inside the child class. Let's make a small change, delete this text and write stopped here. Now, we have two methods with the same name, one in the parent class and another in the child class. The outcome is that the white rabbit stopped. If a child class has a method or property with the same name as the parent class, it will use the method and property of the child class. To go further, let's remove the stop method. Now, let's create another child class, and its name will be tiger. Use the extends keyword and mention animal, which is our parent class. Create a method that tells us the speed of the tiger, so name it speed. Use the console log and write runs with speed 100. It's time to make an object of the tiger. Start with const and the object's name is tiger. Set it equal to the new keyword in tiger, which is the name of the child class. Pass the name of the object, tiger. Let's check if the methods are working or not. Use the tiger dot and the run method. It will display tiger is running on the console. Now, call the speed method, tiger.speed. We will get tiger runs with a speed of 100. What if I copy this constructor? Move down and place it in the tiger class? Add one more thing, a color. For the color, I can write this .color equals to color. Now, let's make another method that shows the color of the tiger. Name the method tigerColor. Copy the console log and put it here. The name of the color is this.color. In the tiger constructor, we give it two pieces of information. So, when we create a tiger object, include the tiger's color. With the tiger's name, add a comma and write brown color. If you call the tigerColor method, you'll see an error on the console. The error says, must call superconstructor and derived class before accessing this dot. We can easily fix this error. In the constructor, remove the line this.name and add the super method, passing the name in parentheses. Now, everything is perfect. When the constructor of the tiger class is called, it also calls the constructor of the animal class, which assigns a name property to it. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.